What's up, everyone? It's Hey John and I jabber opportunities nonstop, and today I want to discuss Dogecoin because I think Dogecoin is about to do something very special, and I want to cover why and how I believe it will happen, and fairly soon. The key operative word is soon. Are you tired of rug pulls? Are you tired of scammers? Well, come over to reddit.com/truth-over-profit because this is where we and you can come and share your stories, and we can highlight and shed a light on these scammers so we know which crypto landmines to avoid and which crypto gems to jump into. I'll see you there. Dogecoin. What is going on? Well, currently I am seeing an upward movement in Dogecoin. And I would say this is actually a rare occurrence nowadays, but the fact that we're seeing this and we're seeing the market start to rally, it is a very good sign as to where and how Dogecoin can go. Let me show you some empirical evidence to show you guys, hey, this is what could potentially happen based on history. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, folks, here we are on a Dogecoin chart, and I'm looking at it from a weekly perspective. Now, the reason why I'm choosing a weekly is because I am consolidating the information and I am trying to drown out the noise and get the major trend. So the question now is, what is the major trend? We can see from last year, May of 2021, we hit a peak, and ever since there, it's been a strong downward trend. And I would say on February 28th of 2022 is a very special day and a very special week for Dogecoin. And I assure you, not many know about this. And there's a reason why not many know about this, because not many use the weekly time frame. Everyone is using the 4 hour, the 1 hour, even a daily, and they are all trying to swing trade, and that's fine, everything. But when a major trend is down, well, that is a problemo. And now on February 28th of 2022, it's the first time where I did not see Dogecoin go below the downward trend. If anything, it traded sideways and is now starting to move up. You can see here on March 21st of 2022, we're seeing the first bullish indicator. And if I zoom in for you guys, now you can see the oscillator is starting to oscillate up. And the reason why this is important is because we're seeing that even though we are in the bearish territory in the oscillator, we are trending up. And this is a very bullish sign. This could be the potential beginning of the new bullish season for Dogecoin. Now, I do want to emphasize these are technical charts. They are an aggregate of information, and there is no guarantee whatsoever. But so far, it is looking quite bullish. And now we can see here, folks, we can see every single week the volume is increasing. 283 million, 444 million, 706 million, 542 million. You can see ever since February 28, we've been seeing increased volume. And now we can see, most importantly, we are testing the resistance of 1534. Now we hit our head and we came back down. But ladies and gentlemen, these basement prices, they aren't coming for very long, folks, because the lowest price you would get is 1068. And I suspect not many individuals got that. And the next price above that is 1106. After that, it's 1186. After that, it is now 1323. So you can see the price progressively moving higher week after week. Please understand that this is a slow movement because, as you know, Dogecoin has a huge market cap and it will take a huge amount of buying to move it up. So I want to go back in time to show you guys something very special. So last year, on April 5th of 2021, that is the first week where we saw Booyah. It started to break out to the upside and it started testing the previous all-time high. After that, from April 5th to literally May 3rd of 2021, in that 1 month time frame, we saw a huge rocket up. Now, why did I want to cover this today and show you guys this chart perspective is because we are seeing a similar phenomenon. And as you know, history doesn't repeat itself, but it sure rhymes. And as you can see here, we are currently in the month of April of 2022, April 3rd, as of this recording. Now, again, is this going to happen exactly the same way as last year? We don't know that. But currently, we are moving up to the upside and we're seeing bullish movement and we're seeing bullish volume. Most importantly, you're seeing people for once in their life starting to buy more Dogecoin than sell more Dogecoin. And as you know, folks, it's a very simple phenomenon. If you buy more than you sell, the price goes up. So here we are, folks, looking at the Dogecoin longs and shorts. Currently, we have 48.26% longs and 51.74% shorts. I've been watching this, and for the longest time, I've been seeing about 44% longs and obviously 56% shorts. So that being said, we're seeing the longs increase their positions. Overall, the shorts are still in control, but you have to understand that we are starting to take back control. And as you see here, Dogecoin owns 44.36% of the market. FTX 18.54%. The reason why I wanted to cover how many longs to shorts there are, because this determines who is buying Dogecoin to see it go to the moon and who's buying Dogecoin to take your money. Now we can see here that Binance has over 44% and FTX has 18%. Combined, they have about 62% of the CEX. This means they hold a vast majority of your Dogecoins, and they are able to offer synthetics, and they are able to lend. And when they're able to lend, well, guess what, folks? Lending equals margin, margin equals shorting. So this is how the Barry Silberts of the world short your Dogecoin, because they are borrowing and leveraging against the central exchanges because they are offering short contracts. And this is another reason as to why Dogecoin's price is being suppressed. There are several ways to fix this. One is to move your Dogecoin off into a DEX where you own your keys, because as I say, not your keys, not your wallet. The other way is to incite a short squeeze where you have a huge amount of buying in a short amount of time, and the price movement goes up too fast and too soon, and these shorts aren't able to cover their short positions. What that means is that once you hit a certain threshold, and if you aren't able to pay for it, the exchange liquidates your position and you literally lose all your money, because it depends how much you're leveraging, maybe 1x, 2x, 3x, I don't know. But the point is that if you are leveraging, you have a lower margin of error. And if that happens, and if you trigger that error, that means boom, their money is gone instantly, and it goes from a short suppression to a long buy. That's what they mean by a short covering. That's what they mean by a short squeeze. Now, if this happens, it'll happen very rapidly and very successfully, because initially you will see the small shorts, first they will get devoured, but the big boys, they will award the big points and they will double down, triple down until the people come in droves and just buys the heck out of Dogecoin and just wrecks their position. And all of a sudden you will see Dogecoin go to the moon. And when that happens, everyone will be happy, and it'll be the Cinderella story where everyone gets their Shiba Inu. Now, in order for this to happen, it will definitely take time. It will take diamond pawns. It will take people who have their Dogecoin on Binance or FTX, move them off those exchanges. And as you know, there are many YouTuber Dogecoin people who like to say, hey guys, go on FTX. Hey guys, go on Binance, stake your Dogecoin and get 2%, 8%, whatever they're offering you. But understand, the reason why these exchanges are able to offer you this 8% or 2% of your tokens, because they are borrowing against your position, and they are offering the Barry Silberts of the world money to bring your price per Dogecoin down. And yes, you are getting 8%. Meanwhile, you are down 80% in the value of the price. So you tell me, which is a better deal? Only you can decide that. And if you decide, hey, you know what, getting 8% or 2% sticking is better than having 80% of the price value, hey, then go ahead and leave your money in the central exchange and let the Barry Silberts of the world short the heck out of your beloved Dogecoin. The best way for you guys to support the channel is by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Get $250 in Bitcoin using my BlockFi link down below in the description. Get $25 in Chronos using my Crypto.com referral code. Get 5 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL valued up to $8,000. All you gotta do is use my link down below in the description. Create an account, deposit 1 cent, even $1, and you will get 5 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL valued up to $8,000. And most importantly, have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one.